All right, everyone, a quick update on Veracity. So this thing is down 5% on the week here. You can see on the overall macro chart, we're just zooming out to the monthly because it makes more sense to me. Low to the high, we're sitting on this potential bottom, the 618 here at 2221 here. So if this is the bottom, this thing is going to start going back up. Any lower than this on the macro fib, then the next stop down potentially is going to be the 786 here, and you would have this thing drop 68% down to 308. Now, I don't think that's going to happen. It could happen, but it looks to be establishing a bottom, a floor, a base here, if you will. So 002, where we're at right now at 25, this could very well be it, and we could start moving back up. If we go down to the smaller time frames, of course, which we do from time to time, you can see uptrend beginning to play out here, and this market structure off of this wick has begun to form. So very well could be the bottom on Veracity here. Now, one other thing I would say on VRA here, I did a little bit of research into it. From my understanding, they are cutting the circulating supply from, I believe it was 100 billion down to what it is now at 10 billion, or the total supply that is. So the math I did here for the $2.3 billion market cap up to the 1272 at 24 pennies. So this should stand. It should not increase because their total supply is now going to be 10 billion instead of the total supply of 100 billion. So that would mean all the coins should be pretty much in circulation here. So if I'm wrong, correct me on that. If you know anything about it, comment down below, of course. So back to the chart here. Keep it simple. Potentially a bottom being put in here. The first big price to beat is, of course, the green line and the red box here. That is based on Fibonacci. So we need the price of it right now off of the potential market structure that's forming that is bullish to move up about 26% to get over about 3.2. And then the top of this box, of course, is 349 here, which is the high to the low 236. So once we establish over this box, that will confirm that was the bottom. And then the macro confirmation off of that 618 would be, in my opinion, getting back over the 236. So we need to get over ultimately 005 here to have that bottom being put in here and focusing on higher targets, of course. And then, of course, you can see the double 382. Once VRA gets over this 009 level, that's when you can be bullish to move higher on this project here. So if it is true about the circulating supply and what they're doing over there, that could be very bullish. So this could be a very good play here now that I know that information. Now, with that being said, how high is this thing going to go? You can see that from where we are today on that potential bottom. If this thing only does a 618 retracement here, up to 2 pennies. So 2 pennies would be a really good target. That's going to get you a good 8x out of your investment here. So not bad at all. If it comes up here to around 4 pennies, you can see the 786 at 395, almost 4, 15 and a half, almost a 16x on your investment. So 2 pennies, 4 pennies, and then we even have the 0.5 at 1 penny. If you wanted to take profit out at 1 penny, you can see a decent little 5.5x on your investment here. So some good targets on Veracity here to take profit this cycle. And then for your moonshot, if everything goes according to plan with what they have going on, like I've already said, and that circulating supply remains at almost 10 billion or whatever it is right now, you can see just for this thing to come up to 24 pennies, which is highly possible, you're looking at a $2.3 billion market cap and about a 95x on Veracity here. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.